Hey, how's it, Aloha gang? We're over here in the HiNow studio with Tani Edwards from Wayne's Flooring. Wayne's Flooring brings over 4 decades of expertise. And Tani, I want you to tell people about Wayne's Flooring and the work you folks do.
We're a locally owned flooring business. We've been in business for over 40 years. We do everything from commercial to residential, small jobs, big jobs. We do it all, start to finish.
What are some things that people need to be aware of when they're in the market?
Well, they want to consider what they're using their space for. For residential homes, is it a multi-generational home? Is it a single-family home? What kind of visuals do you want to see? One of the newer products that are out on the market today are the vinyl planks and the hardwood lines that are all water-resistant, durable. So we do a lot of these in residential settings where most commercial carpets are commercials, more carpet-based. Seeing more whole home installations where you want one material through your main areas, so your living room, your hallway, front to back. Mop them without worry about moisture getting in there. They're very stain resistant. These protect against the sun fading as well, so they don't bleach out and lose their color. Hardwood floors are if you want that more upscale look. You want something a little more realistic. There's nothing that really beats that hardwood consistency. The hardwoods are thicker and less likely to indent. So if you have heavy furniture, things you're worried about, moving things around, the hardwood is going to protect better.
We have vinyl, we have hardwood, and then over here, I'm a carpet guy.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of the carpet. So carpet, you have a variety of options. Carpet is really a personal preference. So there's many different kinds and textures. You have your standard plush pile carpets, which are really, really popular. Tried and true, they're never going to go away. But they've introduced some really nice new visuals with some loop styles, with some multicolors woven in. And they've even brought in some cool patterns. So you've got like nice linear looks, so really updated. We use these more everywhere, but bedrooms. You want that softness when you get up in the morning. You want to step on your carpet and feel that soft feeling. Sound absorbing, you want to have a nice quiet space, a little more tranquil.
All right, Tani, what is this?
So that's carpet padding, and that is the single most important part of your carpet purchase. You can downgrade on your carpet a little bit, but you want to make sure that you're using the best pad available. This particular one is special because it has a moisture guard. So it actually has a spill-safe layer, which is going to help to protect your carpet from those pet stains, from the spills.
From little children.
From little children,
yes.
From everything. The market in general is really gearing towards pet-friendly materials. You're going to see that everywhere. So it's like we've got the Pet Perfect lines and pet-friendly materials. They're using fibers that resist staining really, really well.
Tell us about the Stonescape collection as well.
So this is another style of vinyl plank. This is really popular in these tile look, but it is waterproof. It's softer underfoot than traditional ceramic tile. So these vinyl planks that are in this stone look give you that look of vinyl, but you still warm underfoot, feels softer. You can stand in your kitchen for longer and not get as much of the leg fatigue. We've got the laminate floor, which is a hybrid from the hardwood to the vinyl. These new styles have the wax impregnated around the seals and the edges to help keep that water out, help keep the seams together, help keep it stable.
Tani, if people want to get more information about Wayne's Flooring, schedule a consultation and come in and be a part of the whole design process, what's the best way to do that?
Absolutely. So give a call to one of our stores. We have 2 locations, Kaimuki and Sand Island. Full service, so you give us a call, we'll set up an estimate, have our guy come over, measure your area, and come on into the store and take a look at some products.